Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So let's solve another SQL problem asked in FANG companies. So this is regarding sign up activation rate. New TikTok users sign up with their emails. They confirm their sign up by replying to the text confirmation to activate their accounts. Users may receive multiple text messages for account confirmations confirmed until they have confirmed their new account. A new senior analyst is interested to know the activation rate of specified users in the emails table. Write a query to find the activation rate. Round the percentage to two decimal places. So here is the definition they have given us. Emails table contain the information of user sign up details and text table contains the user's activation information. So here have given us two different tables, email table and text tables. The analyst is interested in the activation rate of specified users in the emails table, which may not include all the users that could potentially be found in the text table. So let's see, this is the emails table. Email ID, user ID and sign up date is given. And this is the text table. Text ID, email ID and sign up action is given, right? So here email ID is common in both the tables. So now let me show you the data from both the tables. So if you see over here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total users are there, right? And out of which total 2 users have confirmed only, right? Because this email ID is present in this email table and in sign up action only confirm is there on 2 times only, right? So now how can we solve this? So So here, first of all, we need to check how many total users are there, right? So let me show you. Six total users are there, right? Because of we are joining email table with text table, and all the email tables entries are there in the text table, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All email ID are present in email ID column of text table, right? So total, that's why I have done inner join over here. So has given me 6 count total, right? Now how many of them are confirmed? So if you see over here, total 2 users have confirmed only, right? 1 and 2, 125 user ID and 236 user ID, right? Now over here I have checked confirm in another SQL query. So in which sign up action is equal to confirm. Now what we need to do? We need to do this result divided by this result. Sorry, this is the confirm result. So confirm result we need to divide it by total users. So for that we need both the data into a single column, right? So that we can do using the multiplicity over here. So this will be our first city where confirmed users will be taken, right? Then comma city 2 as this will become our second city. This is the total count, total users, right? And now we will divide confirm users divided by total users. So all this thing I have done because of I need result in two decimal places, right? So let me show you. So 2 divided by 6. So if you do over here, ideally 2 divided by 6, it will give 0. Let me check it. Because integer, the result should be in floating point, right? But over here our data type is integer. So what we need to do, we need to do 0.00 again 0.00. Let me try this one. So 0.00 333, right? Then we need to do multiply by 100. Now let me check again the result set. Okay, and now we want only two values, right? So decimal, then we need to do cast of this one as decimal 9 comma 2. Now let me try this one. Okay, now let me try this one. It will give, okay, this is one extra bracket is there. Okay, now we need to simply multiply by 100. Actually over here we need to give for, let me try this one. Okay, perfect, right? Now what is our requirement? From this again we can do a cast and then as decimal 9 comma 2. Let me do this one and show you the result. So it is giving the perfect result, right? Now that same thing is done over here. What I have explained you in this one, the same thing I have done over here. We have done the cast of this, so we can have a rounding feeder up to two decimal places. Then I have again done the round and again done the casting. And over here, there is no common column is required in with both of these result set. So directly we are doing the cross join. So it will give only single record only, right? Okay, now let's solve another SQL problem. This is regarding to super cloud customer, and this question is asked in Microsoft SQL interview. So Microsoft Azure super cloud customer is defined as a company that purchases at least one product from each product category. Write a query that effectively identifies the customer ID of such super cloud customers. So over here we have given the customer contracts table and products table, right? So I have inserted data into the both the tables. Now need to identify, we need to identify those customers who has buy at least one product from each product category. So now let me show you. Need to identify those customers who has buy at least one product from each product category. So now let me take this data into the Excel file so you can understand it better. Now let me take below data as well. So here they have given the two different tables and we need to identify those customers who has buy at least one product from each product category. So if you see for two, so two is coming over here only one time, right? So over here how many different categories are there? One, two, sorry, analytics is one category, we can say, then containers is one category, then compute is one category. So three different categories are there, right? Now we need to identify those customer who has buy minimum three products from all three different categories. So let's see directly for 7. So 7 has purchased one, right? So one means analytics category. You can see this is a product ID, this is also product ID, right? Now 7 is purchase again 3. So let me highlight it 3. Now 3 is again different category, right? Container category, right? And 7 has purchased 6. So 6 is compute category, right? So it means that 7 has purchased minimum 3 products from all 3 categories. Now let's understand for 4, right? 4. So 4 is purchased from 1. So analytics is covered. Then 4 is purchased from 5. So compute is also covered. But 4 doesn't is purchase any product from container, right? So only 7 should be our result set, right? Now how can we implement into SQL? So over here, first of all, we need to identify how many distinct categories are there. How many distinct categories are there? So total 3 distinct categories are there, right? Now we need to identify those customer who has purchased at least 3 products from all different categories. Or firstly, we are identifying how many distinct product category they have purchased. So let me show you the result set. This is a simple query, right? We are joining two tables with product ID common column, and then count of distinct product category we are taking. And over here, if you see, only 7 is coming for 3 count, right? 3 distinct product category count. So now what we need to do from this result set, these are two different result set. Now if we join this result set with this result set based upon this PT column and CT column, then our result will become automatically, right? That is 7. So again we need to do multiple city for the same, and this time we are doing the city multiple city based upon this city column and PT column, right? So it is very simple. So it will give only one result, right? Because 3 will be joining with 3. No other 3s are there over here. So 7 will be our answer. So let me again show you this result set. Perfect, right? So this is how you can solve the SQL query. So let's solve another SQL problem. This is regarding card launch success, and it is asking JP Morgan Chase SQL interview question. So your team at JP Morgan Chase is soon launching a new credit card. You are asked to estimate how many credit card you will issue in the first month. Before you can answer this question, you want to first get some perspective on how well new credit card launches typically do their first month. Write a query that outputs the name of the credit card and what is the issued amount in its launch month. The launch month is the earliest record in the month card issued table for a given card. So here they have given us monthly card issue table, right? In that card name is given, issued amount is given, issue month and issue year is given, right? So I have inserted the data into the same. Let me show you the table script. Sorry, table data. So if you see over here, we need to identify from this record, we need to identify for each product, each card name, we need to identify how many issued amount has been done on the first month, or you can say that launch month of a particular card. So this will be 55,000 for this one and 1,50,000 for this one. But if you observe carefully, issue year is different, right? 2021 and 2020. So here what we need to do, I have solved this query based upon two different approaches. So let me show you this approach. Here we are doing row number over partition by card name. So partition by card name, for this one it will generate row number, for this one also it will generate row number again. So now row number over partition by card name, order by issue year and issue month. So if you see over here, it will give row number like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, again 1, 2, 3 and 4. So all this one is our requirement, right? Let me show you this result. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Which I have explained you in this Excel file, right? So now from here I need to identify only rank 1 data, right? Because issue month should be minimum as per the year, right? So I need only rank value 1, so that we can get it through the derived table. So this one you can say that derived table in SQL server and inline view in Oracle, you can say that. So this is our result set. Now this one will become our one table. So I have given this particular query as table T. So this T will become now our table. So select this card name, issue month, issue year, issued amount from this particular table where RK equal to 1, because we want RK equal to 1 only, right? So this will give RK equal to 1. Now another approach to solve this question is city, right? So same thing we have mentioned over here, and write the city above it and encapsulate this result into the city, and then select all the columns where RK equal to 1, right? So this is just basic explanation. So this is how we can solve the one problem with multiple different approaches, right? So thank you so much everyone. If you like the way of my teaching, then please do like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends, and please do repost in LinkedIn as well. Thank you so much. We will meet again in the next video. Thank you.